All right, good morning, y'all. It is Tuesday. This is I'm not gonna lie, 13 subscriber on YouTube special. Let's go. That's 13 people. You know what I'm saying? Like, people don't think about subscribers. You know what I'm saying? And I value them. So that's the word. We're gonna get a little dog vlogging with Conqueezy. And that's it. Yeah. All right. Ugh. So here is like some trail. Oh, here we go. Barberville Falls. So, you know, all the barbers come over here, you know, drink their water. That's really it, man. That's how those barbers stay so fresh, man. They be drinking from here. Yeah. All right. Beautiful day though. You know, make sure y'all get outside too. Enjoy some nature. I be in the house too much. Oh. Conquest just sniffing shit as usual. Whoa! You're not gonna look at that. Alright. This right here is where all the barbers get their nutrients. Make sure y'all take a good look. Oh snap. Take it that first. Ooh. But a beautiful day. It's a Tuesday. Any day could be beautiful, man. Alright. Alright, y'all. That's how the view looking. Make sure y'all get some fresh air, y'all. Fresh air. Take some breaks between the grind, man. Oh, it's not. Where Conquest go? There he is. Doing the same shit. Oh. A little keep out song. That's mad snatchable. Oh. But, here's what it is. Oh my God, Conquest. Alright. Oh well. That's the end of the vlog, y'all. Hope y'all like the 13 subscriber special. Yeah, let's get to it.